We got cup and handle, guys. Cup and handle. Hi guys, what's up? What's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing Polkadot. Why? Because it pumped 20%, man, 20%. So we're gonna see what's happening. Right now it's sitting at 6.2. That's some kind of resistance. I'm gonna show you that. We're gonna talk about some kind of resistances, where they are, what's happening, where this is gonna go. We're gonna talk about cup and handle that's been forming, and also we're gonna talk about price prediction, where this is actually going after 6.2 is broken. But first, let's get into the charts and start with the technical analysis. And now we're back in the charts. So let's start with some kind of resistances that's happening. Right now the Polkadot is sitting at 6.2, and that's this resistance over here. As you can see, the first month of trading it went up to the 6.2, and right now it's testing that target over here at 6.2. so that's kind of resistance. Actually, I wanted to make this video earlier today when the price was at 5.8, and that was also a resistance, and we can see that on the weekly chart over here. This line over here, that's about 5.8. so you can see here this is 6.2, and this one below it is 5.8. so I was watching 5.8 and I was thinking, how long it's gonna take before it actually breaks it. So we can look at the 1 hourly just to see what I'm talking about. You can see the price was coming up to the 5.8, and it was keeping it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. And then once it broke it, it went straight up to the 6.2, and now it's holding the 6.2 and trying to break the 6.2. And I think it's gonna be sooner rather than later that it's gonna break the 6.2. So now, of course, we come to the question where it's going after 6.2, because if you look at the monthly chart, all you have. Wait, let me do it like this. All you have right now is the wicks up here, these wicks over here. These two, and that's around 6, 9, 7. So that's what we got going for us right now. 7 target to break the all-time high. So after 6.2, at least 7. Keep that in mind. Let's clear this up and let's talk about cup and handle, man. Cup and handle is been forming on this on Polkadot, man, and you can see it clearly here. It goes like down, up. And that's, so this basically the cup, and this the handle, and the price is now coming up. Now here's where I have some problem with this cup and handle, because it's not a very symmetrical cup and handle. There are 2 starting points where you can draw the cup and handle from. Then you can use wicks and with no wicks and stuff like that. So we're gonna do some artistic drawing and try to get the best feel for what's happening with this cup and handle. Okay, so thing is, you can use I'm gonna do this on the daily. We can do this on the daily, but not that correctly. So basically, you can start from this top over here and say this is the cup and this is the handle. That means that this line should be going like this, and this is some kind of breakout of this cup and handle, right? Then the other what am I calling, the other theory, no, the other solution, you know, the other something is going something like this, right? So this is all of this is the cup, and then it goes down here and it's breaking it around here at, what's that, 5.5, 5.8, depends on how you draw the line, right? And then I think there is also a third one. If using the wicks on the top, you know, you see it's problematic, especially on the Polkadot that has so many wicks, man, so many wicks. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna remove the wicks and see if we can get any smarter on that. Okay, so without the wicks, you still have these 2 tops over here, this one or this one, and which one are you gonna use for the cup? This one over here or this one over here? And then are you gonna use this one top or this top over here? So it can be like something like this. Wait, let me remove this. So it can be something like this or something like this. So I don't know. I like this top over here and this top over here because it corresponds with this over here and some kind of breakout over here. But this is not a 5.8 breakout. 5.8 is all the way up here with this top over here. So you know, basically what I'm gonna say is, you got this line over here, you got this line over here. This is important because this is gonna tell us where the next price target is, right? So that's the cup and handle. So now we got talked about price targets. price prediction. But before we do that, like the video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm not getting the PewDiePie without no subscribers. Also, we got a Patreon page, $1 1 month early subscribe, check that out. And before we actually do price prediction, I want to show you an article on Polkadot that I just found. Polkadot targets 6 after Binance replaces ETH with DOT on homepage. So it says, the Chinese cryptocurrency blockchain reporter Colin Wu noticed that Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, replaced ETH in 3 of cryptocurrency pairs on Binance app homepage with Polkadot. So basically what he noticed is that on Binance front page, they replaced 3 pairs from ETH to DOT. So something is changing. Maybe Binance has some investment in DOT more than ETH. You know, I'm not gonna speculate on that. I'm just saying, and then they're saying that the target is 6, and they do also some kind of technical analysis down here after breaking channel of resistance. The channel, well, whether it's channel just resistance, you know, it broke it. I don't know, that was 5.7 right now, 5.6. I don't know if their technical analysis is really on point or not. Anyways, let's get back in the chart and see where is our target. What's our target after 6.2? Because right now it's sitting at 6.2, 6.25. It looks like it's gonna break it right now. Maybe that's and if you draw it like this, you know, you can see here that this stop actually is holding. So we're gonna do what any decent artistic creature does. It makes decision, or not artistic creature, leader or businessman or CEO. He just takes decisions. So the reason it's important to draw this line correctly is because this line is gonna give us the price target next, right? So basically what you wanna see is from the bottom to the top of the line. Wait, not this one. So from bottom to the top of the line, that's gonna be the move from the breakout. So if this is the breakout on 6.2, the target is 8. There you go. That's our price target. Around, let's move just a little bit. There we go. Our price target is $8 right now. Because if this cup and handle is correct and the move is as I have just written it, and we're using this bottom over here, then it's 8. Now from here on out, now we're gonna try to make an area, because we're not quite sure where it's gonna go. So we're gonna create an area where it can go. Okay. So we're gonna use this one as well, and do this one over here, and this one goes actually almost the same target here. So let's just pop the line over there as well. It's almost the same. Let's remove this one as well, and now we can remove these 2 lines. And now we're gonna go. So the third and the fourth. Let's use this bottom as well over here. Okay. Let's use the bottom. Let's try to do this a little bit faster. This was this one. Then it's over here. Put it down up there. I'm just gonna try to do this fast, because we gotta draw a lot of these lines, so we can get some kind of area for where the price is actually gonna go. And these last 2 lines, we're gonna use the wicks. Actually, we're gonna use the wicks on the bottom over here, and see if we can actually try to get decent pull up. And that one's over there, and this one is over here. But you can already see that the target is around in this area over here, right? Sorry. That's the target. Let me just remove these lines so you can see it, and there you go. That's the target area for us, from 7.8 up to all high at 8.2. So that's next price target for us after the breakout. Of course, there is gonna be one more resistance up here at 7, as we know, that's the all-time high. But once it breaks 6.2, it's gonna go to 7, and 7 I don't think it's gonna hold a lot, because it's only close, it's only the wick. So I think wick is gonna break. It's gonna go all the way up to at least 8, 7, 7.9, 8, 8.2, something, somewhere around there. So that's really nice, and that's Polkadot for you, man. That's Polkadot for you, man. I've been checking also the moving averages on the Polkadot, and you can see on the daily that they are actually pumping from the 20, that's 20, 50 and 100, 200 moving average. And you can see that's pumped right on the, it was keeping the 20 and 50 moving average for a while now and pumped on the 20 up. There are no more, and here on the weekly we just started getting our first, I don't know if you can see this, you can see this small, wait, you can see this small red dot line, that's the 20 moving average just forming on the weekly. So we are above 20 moving average on the weekly on Polkadot as well. If you like this video, again, like the video, subscribe to my channel, man. That's Polkadot for you, man. That's the target. That's what's happening. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow, a new video about something else that's pumping. Join the Patreon, man, because in those videos, I'm making interesting calls, to say the least. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. I don't have any outro, so there's some music and there's some image. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Ciao.